What if I told you your struggles with acting aren't only from your skill? What if I told you it's something much deeper? Mindset is one of the key factors that many actors overlook in their journey. As a professional actor myself, a graduate of psychology, and an experienced meditation instructor, I'll use these unique techniques that I've learned from these practices and help implement them into our coaching sessions. I'll help you overcome things such as the boisterous inner critic that we all face, the inevitable nerves that come from auditioning for a new project, as well as this dialect coaching, and also ultimately enjoying your performance as an artist. That's the most important thing. My name is Hassan Shah, and I'm a professional actor with over 7 years of experience working on platforms such as Lifetime TV, global commercials, independent films, as well as off-Broadway theater in New York City. I've had the opportunity to work with Hollywood's top acting coaches at the Margie Haber Studio in Los Angeles, California, and finished a degree here at the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama here in London. We'll work together to strengthen your craft, but also build your confidence on both stage and screen. My diverse training background helps me offer you an insight into both the American and British acting method. If that all sounds interesting to you, please don't hesitate to get in touch.